Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I'm coming at you with a small haul video and an update on a product that I purchased that I shared in my last video, haul video. So first off, I just want to thank everyone for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. I think I have like 1,004 or something like that, which is so awesome. Stay tuned for some exciting news about that. But today, I just haven't been very crafty lately. I just been super busy, at my job, and I don't know, the cold weather that's lingering, it just have made me not very creative. But I'm gonna try to get back into the swing of things. Hopefully next week when I have some things off my plate for work and can kind of breathe a little easier. So I'm coming at you with a craft haul. So first up, I picked up these two super cute Sweet Miss Daisy designs for Easter. This one is called Two Chicks. I like that. And one is holding a flower, and then one is like he's looking at some Easter eggs down on the ground and florals, and then it has some cute little sentiments wishing you a blooming good day. Wonderful things are yet to come. Blessings to you, and then happy Easter. So I don't have many Easter stamps in my stash, so I was really happy to get these. And I believe these will be easy to color because, as you know, I'm not a big colorist. And then this other design, this is called Hey Chickie. And so this has a little chicken, little baby chick. Yeah, and he's pulling a little cart that's made out of an egg with eggs in the top. Super cute. But it's the sentiments that really kind of make this stamp set. And it says, just chicken in to wish you a happy Easter. Hope you have an exceptional Easter. Sending a wagon full of love and joy this Easter. And then some sub-sentiments. Happy spring. Happy Easter to the cutest chick. A warm springtime hello, and a wish for a happy Easter, and hey Chickie. And it has a little bitty egg stamp right there. But once again, I think I can handle coloring this and hopefully make some really beautiful Easter cards with this set. So that's from Sweet Miss Daisy. And then from the stamp market, man, the stamp market always gets me when I look at what they have and, how you can get everything, the set. So they're having a birthday stamp party February 28th. It's 3 free classes using the new fall release and fun giveaways and more. So you can register for this and you can check at the stamp market for more information. So I picked up this super cute stamp. It's called Balloon Essentials. I had a balloon stamp before and it was from Spellbinders, and I really didn't utilize it. Maybe I made 1 card or 2 cards, but when I saw this one, it's so different. It has the 2 balloon size and different ribbons that you can put a string on the balloon, which I thought was super neat. They don't have a picture of it, so you need to check out their website like I did and fall in love. And then they have these really cute sentiments that go on the balloon. So it's happy birthday, make a wish, hip hip hooray, celebrate, birthday wishes, congrats for you, yay, let's eat cake, happy B-day, so excited for you, hooray, and enjoy every minute. So these stamp within the balloon itself. And then, or you can cut them out with their dies. They have the thinnest dies, but I hope they cut well. I'm pretty sure they will. And these are the balloon greetings. And this one is birthday balloon greetings. So, and then this one was kind of exciting. It's a background stamp, and it says happy birthday a whole bunch of times. So not big on using background stamps, but I really like this one. So hopefully I'll put it into play. So we shall see. So that's from the stamp market. And then I was watching a video. I can't remember what the name of the channel was, but she was using this cute little set from Not too shabby. And she had these 2 paper pads and then some ephemera that she was showing and other things. But I just picked up the paper pad and it's called Sweet Little Cuties. So I love little cuties. I've been really enjoying them, you know, this winter. You know, it's not too big. They're not too big, you know, like an orange. And I really enjoy them. So this is the 6x6 paper pad. And they are really cute. Look at that orange juice. And then that is beautiful. Of course, orange is my favorite color. So, of course, I'm going to like anything with oranges in it. And then we have this design. You get 4 each. And then on the back, what? More beautiful oranges. Aren't those beautiful? And then you have the orange with the black background. Man, I can't hardly say that. It's been a long day, guys. Sorry. And then we have the black stripe. I really like black stripe, but I don't know if I would use it because I like this side so much. But I do have other black stripes, so but that's nice. Then you have the green gingham. Green is my alternate favorite color. Orange is my favorite, and green is the alternate. And just look at that. Isn't that not pretty? They look like they've been broiled or something. They're just so shiny. And then this pretty little flower. I'm not sure what that flower is. Maybe it's the flower that grows with the orange. I don't know. But oranges go on a tree, so I don't know if they have a flower on there. And then this one, this is really pretty too. Man, I like that. And then on the flip side is this really pretty yellow, almost gold stripe. And then here's the ombre design. And let's flip over. Oh, more black with oranges on them, on the black. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So this is, once again, this paper pad is called Sweet Little Cuties. Man, I'm getting slower and slower here. So the next paper pad, so I guess I joined the paper pad club. I'm going to have to really double check that because one thing I don't need is a bunch of paper, but if it's pretty, maybe call it my name. So it says Wild Strawberry Meadow. And those are pretty with the red little daisy with them. I like strawberries too. And that's, we have that in the other paper pad. In this sweet little, almost looks peachy color, but it is, I guess, more red with white dots. And then look at those strawberries. That is really cute. What do you think? I think it's cute. Oh no, the strawberries are looking at me. I don't know, those kind of look creepy. I don't know about you, but that little one with the little closed eyes is cute. But these, they look like they may be coming after me. So I don't know about that one. But I do like this side with this, you know, it's kind of a reddish orange. I don't know, maybe peachy. I don't know, it's kind of hard to describe that color. And then this is really pretty with the green and the dots. Let's turn it over. Oh, this is really sweet. I really like this one. Green with the peachy background and then the florals. This is really gorgeous. And then we have some cut aparts. We know that Fuchsia does not like cut aparts. These are adorable, but I'm not going to try to cut these out. If I could get a circle die on them or something, maybe. But yeah, that, my fingers are hurting just looking at it. I don't know. And then let's look at the flip side. Oh, like this pink stripe though. And then we have this little sweet greenish pink stripe. And then on the back, some really light colored strawberries. And sometimes you do get strawberries in your pack that are kind of like super light. But this is really pretty. So I'm happy with this pad, even though it has those creepy looking strawberries kind of looking at me. But I can handle it. I'm tough. So this is the Wild Strawberry Meadow. Man, the train is going off the track. I better hurry up before I lose total control here. Now this is what's super cute too. And this is the ephemera, the die cut pieces for a sweet little cuties. Let's see what we got here. I've only seen one video with, you know, someone sharing these. And so I want to go back and try to catch some others just to get some inspiration. But we have a cake with oranges on it, which I've never seen. That's beautiful. And look at them. They're so cute. These are adorable. And they also have numbers in them. So in case you wanted to make like a birthday card using numbers. Look at that banner. Isn't that cute? I hope I'm in frame. I don't think I'd make it trying to do this video again. Those balloons are beautiful. More balloons. So, look, they have a kind of like a wreath or swag. Super cute. I don't know. If you like oranges and you like the color orange, this is the ephemera. And then it's so cute. Look at them. So let me see the numbers. So we have, you know, I'm sure it's 1 through 9 or 0 through 9. But I have the numbers here. Oh, and a bow. That's 6, I believe. And then there's the 0. So, you know, you can make a sweet little card with these 4 and 1 and the 7. And then, the 9 or the 6. You kind of got to look at them and determine which way you want it to go. And then just the flowers. I'm like, yeah. All right, so that's those. Super pretty. Oh man, I'm making a mess, but let's just slide it over. So last video, I shared with you this binder I got for my dies, and I showed you that I was able to get all my spell binders layering, or whatever you want to call them, dies in here. But I did have other brands that I wanted another book for, and they didn't have this book anymore. But I ordered one, and if you remember, it was white, and it had, I don't know what, I can't remember what it had, but I was surprised that that was adhered to the actual binder. And I thought, oh, I can live with that. Well, I couldn't. I ended up sending it back, and I purchased another purple one from this same company. But as I said, they're out of this design, and this is the design I got right here. So even though this is, you know, like a hard plastic, the inside little envelopes or folders are a lot thicker than the previous one I shared with you, the white one, if you remember the video. And so I'm really happy that I think I have 2 dies left that didn't fit in here, and I can live with that because they're another brand that, you know, none of these are the same, you know, are that brand. So these are mostly Cat Scrappiness and Cat Scrappiness and Gina Marie. So I put the name on them. I didn't have any more of the white tape with dark writing, but this is fine. I can still see it myself. So I wanted to share with you my change, and that I'm really pleased with this one. It has a little rubber, you know, band here to keep it closed, stretch band. But I still will be, because I'm that person, I'm still going to be checking Amazon periodically to see if this comes back in stock. And if it does, I'm going to buy this one to replace this one, because I'm just so extra like that. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And any comments below, I love reading those. And hopefully you will have a nice day or evening or whenever you're watching this. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.